Hello everybody, doing some stuff different today using Filmic Pro on my iPhone. I'm driving to work in my little F350 crew cab, long bed, getting everybody's way at the parking lot pickup, and I'm using Filmic Pro with a Bluetooth headset. I'm using a Bluetooth headset because this is what it sounds like without a Bluetooth headset. And I'm going to be using a new camera, and I'm going to do some different stuff today. And by different, I mean different. You'll see if you keep watching. So I'm going to ask everybody to do me a favor. This is going to be different enough that I need to know if you like it, you hate it, you want to see more of it, you never want to see it again, but you got to let me know something, because it is going to be different. You can be respectful. It won't hurt my feelings. Just, yeah, I don't like that a lot, or I really didn't care for it, or if you're just indifferent to it. Doesn't matter one way or the other. But I would appreciate that. Went up in the mountains in Wyoming, carried the cars up there, climbed the mountain with cars in my hand. That was a little bit different experience. You ever try climbing a mountain with something in both hands? So anyway, without dragging this out too much more, I'm going to go ahead and bail, and I'll catch you guys down the road. We are up near Meeteetse, Wyoming. It's north of Thermopolis and south of Cody. She must have a nest somewhere. Hey y'all, I'm going to be running my little car later today, and when you see what happened, you're going to be like, for real?